can see here, before that, before I forget, so there are three types of rocks, which is igneous, metamorphic, and also sedimentary. So let me take a look at examples. So this is the examples of sedimentary rocks. As you can see, this is shale, which is the limestone. This is example of igneous rock, which is brown granite and basalt. And this one, these two examples of metamorphic rock. This is a granite schist and this is hornfels. That's all for the types of rock. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Mira. Okay, today I will present about the porosity and the permeability. Okay, reservoir must be porous and permeable. So we can see that porous rock is the one which have a many space within the rock. So here we can see when the porosity is high, so it's a low permeable. And this, when the porosity is high, so it show a high permeability. And this one, when the porosity is low, so the permeability also low. And this one, when the porosity is low, is contribute to the high permeability. Okay, now I want to say about the permeability. Okay, permeability is a measure of how easily fluid or oil to flow freely into the rock. Okay, now we have a sample here. We have three types of rocks. So when this is show the less porosity, okay, when I turn back the sample, you can see that this is more permeable. So it's a high porosity. Rather compare than this, the all not compared to this, it easily flow freely. That's all from me. Thank you.
So now I will explain about the petroleum migration. There are two processes in petroleum migration, which is primary migration and also secondary migration. So for the primary migration, the hydrocarbon will move out of the source rock and into the adjacent permeable rock. While for the secondary migration, the hydrocarbon will continue to move through the carrier bed into the reservoir rock. So as you can see here, this is the further explanation about the centimeter of the flow.
Okay, good morning. So as you can see here, I'm explaining about the structural traps. Structural trap is the main cause where the petroleum or hydrocarbon is trapped. So that is the way it's accumulated and we can extract from here. So as you can see here, this is the demonstration for how it traps. Okay, the red bit is as a petroleum. It will migrate and it will trap. It will migrating. So the first layer will reach here is the gases and then the petroleum. It will trap here because of the structure of the soil here. So this is called the traps, which is the main cause of formation of oils here. So as you can see here, this is the sandstone. The sandstone is which it is permeable to the oil. So it will traverse, as I mentioned just now, it will traverse to until the trap. At the trap, the oil is become accumulated because of the non-permeability of the shale. Shale is one of the reservoir rock. So it form a trap over there, and that cause the accumulation of the petroleum, and that cause we can extract the petroleum from that place. Thank you.